Guys, this is James from Geekblog TV, and I got a brand new server today, so I need Windows on it for a second, and I'm gonna go ahead and install that by using a USB drive. I do this for several reasons. One of them is my CD drive is currently not working, so anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to open up the Run menu. I just use the key combination Windows button plus R to open up this menu. I'm going to type in CMD, and then to run it as root, I'm going to do Control Shift Enter. Alright, now what this did was opened up a root console there. So what we're going to do is we're going to type disk part, and what that's going to do is that's going to allow you to partition disks. For this we're going to need a, well, I don't know if we need 8 gigabytes, but I'm using an 8 gigabyte USB drive. 4 gigabytes might be okay though. So here disk part is brought up, so I'm going to type in list disk, and as you can see right there, disk 1 is my USB drive. So I'm going to type in select disk 1, enter. Disk 1 is now the selected disk, so I'm going to type clean, get all my bits in order. Then I'm going to do create partition primary. Okay, so that one is primary, so I'm going to do select partition 1. Okay, so next we're going to type active. And then after this, we're going to put a new file system, so we're going to do format fs equals ntfs. Okay, now if you're installing XP, you could probably get away with using FAT for this partition because you're not going to really require any files over 4 gigabytes. But just as a good rule of thumb, I like to use NTFS because it allows for larger files. Now this part's going to take a while, so I'm going to get back to watching Judge Judy, and I'll use some of that movie magic to fast forward to the end. Alright guys, the format is complete, and as you can see, the auto run dialog has come up here. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back to this. We're going to type assign, just to make sure it was assigned a drive letter, and then we're going to type exit. Okay? So once we do that, we're going to open the folder. We want to see which drive letter is the Windows 7 disk that we want to use. And the drive letter is going to be E. So we make sure that we have the DVD inserted into the drive. And for us, we're going to type E CD boot. Okay, so once we got that, we're going to type CD boot. Whoops. Alright, so let's try this again. I've got a CD that I just popped in that I know is Windows. And in a second, a dialog box should pop up to let me know that the drive has been mounted. Alright, here we go. So the drive is there. I'm going to type this command one more time. Alright, here we go. The boot code was installed onto the disk. We've got that taken care of. So now what we're going to do is copy everything on there and paste it right here. Make sure that all the the hidden folders are showing. Yeah, see, show hidden files and folders. Make sure this is checked right here. Otherwise it might not copy everything over. But basically, you see this right here. It says 35 minutes remaining. I don't know how accurate that is. Last time it didn't take long at all. But basically, you just copy all the files up to the disk again, and then you go ahead and just restart your computer or somebody else's computer, or whichever one you want to install with Windows. You just restart it with the disk and the drive. Make sure that in your BIOS startup that USB is your primary option for booting, and you should be good to go. So you guys enjoy. I hope you like this tutorial. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Thumb up and thumb down, whatever you like. Come back and see me next time, guys. And remember, I do tutorials by request. So if there's anything that you need to learn, just check it out. Also, if you're into Minecraft, there's this cool channel by my friend Zargy, who does his channel's called Zargy Studios on YouTube.com. You spell it Z-A-R-G-Y. So check that out if you're into Minecraft. Anyway, guys, y'all have a great day. See you tomorrow.